Imagine your car still running perfectly smooth after 500,000 miles without a single major repair. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. But here's the catch. Over 92% of drivers are unknowingly damaging their engines every day with bad habits. This video is your ultimate survival guide. We're sharing 7 proven habits used by long-haul drivers, expert mechanics, and even million-mile car owners. Habits that can make your engine last longer than the car itself. Stick around, because habit number 5 is the secret every mechanic hopes you never discover. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. Stick to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. One of the most effective ways to keep your car running reliably for years is to stick to the maintenance schedule outlined in your owner's manual. This schedule isn't just a suggestion, it's a proven plan designed to keep every part of your vehicle in top shape. It includes vital tasks like regular oil changes using the correct oil grade, which helps keep your engine well lubricated and reduces wear over time. It also covers filter replacements, both air and fuel filters, to ensure your engine gets clean air and fuel, which improves efficiency and performance. Critical components like the timing belt or chain should be inspected and replaced as recommended, because if they fail, it can lead to severe engine damage. Don't wait for warning signs like the check engine light or strange noises to start maintenance. Following this schedule is like going in for routine health checkups. It helps catch small issues early before they turn into costly repairs and keeps your car performing at its best. Let's move on to the next habit. Keep your tires in top shape. Your tires are the crucial connection between your car and the road, so keeping them in excellent condition is essential for your vehicle's overall health and safety. It's important to check your tire pressure at least once a month and maintain it at the manufacturer's recommended level. Tires that are underinflated not only wear out more quickly, but also reduce your fuel efficiency, costing you more in the long run. To promote even wear and extend tire life, you should rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Additionally, regularly inspect your tires for any signs of damage, such as cracks, bulges, or uneven wear patterns, as these can indicate underlying problems that need attention. Well-maintained tires provide better traction and handling, ensuring a safer driving experience, while also reducing unnecessary stress on your suspension and steering components, helping your entire vehicle run more smoothly and last longer. Habit number 3. Warm up your engine the smart way. Here's how to warm up your engine the right way. One common myth is that you should let your car idle for 10 minutes every morning. Actually, that can do more harm than good. Modern engines are built to warm up faster when you start driving, not by sitting still. The smart approach? Start your car and let it idle for just 30 to 60 seconds. Then, drive gently for the first 5 minutes. This method helps oil circulate quickly, warms the engine evenly, and stops unburned fuel from washing down the cylinder walls. Doing this simple thing can add tens of thousands of miles to your engine's lifespan. Number 4. Habit on our list is coolant flush every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Many people assume coolant lasts forever, but that's a costly mistake. Waiting until 100,000 miles to change it is a gamble you don't want to take. Modern coolants come in various colors: pink, orange, yellow, even blue, and are designed to last longer, but after about 5 years of constant heating and cooling, they become acidic. When that happens, instead of protecting your engine, the coolant starts causing corrosion. This can lead to serious problems like damaged water pumps, worn out seals, clogged heater cores, and worst of all, head gasket leaks. If you've noticed white smoke from your exhaust, engine misfires, or coolant disappearing without any visible leaks, your engine might be suffering from internal corrosion caused by neglected coolant. It doesn't matter if you drive a Toyota, Ford, or even a hybrid with an electric water pump. Once the coolant breaks down, every part downstream is at risk. That's why the smartest move is to flush your coolant regularly, every 50,000 miles or 5 years, not 100,000 or 150,000. Coolant is inexpensive compared to engine repairs, so don't wait for warning signs before you replace it. And while you're at it, there's another fluid you shouldn't forget to change before it causes trouble. Number 5 habit we have: drive smoothly like you own a classic. Aggressive driving isn't just risky, it puts a lot of extra strain on your vehicle's drivetrain. Every time you slam the gas, brake hard, or take a sharp turn, you're adding unnecessary stress to parts like your engine mounts, suspension, axles, and transmission. Over time, this kind of driving can seriously shorten your car's car's lifespan. Instead, aim for smoother habits. Accelerate gradually, coast to a stop when you can, and steer clear of potholes like they're landmines. Your car is more than just a way to get from point A to B. It's a finely engineered machine. If you treat it with care and respect, it'll reward you with years of reliable performance. Move on to next habit. Address small issues. Immediately. Always address small issues with your car as soon as they come up. It might be tempting to ignore a strange noise, a slight vibration, a dashboard warning light, or a small drop in performance, but doing so can lead to much bigger problems down the road. What may seem like a minor annoyance today could turn into a costly repair tomorrow if left unchecked. Diagnosing and fixing issues early not only saves you money, but also prevents further damage to other components. Think of your car as a living machine. It has its own way of communicating when something's off. Whether it's a faint rattle or a blinking check engine light, these are signs your vehicle needs attention. Acting quickly can keep your car running smoothly and help you avoid being stranded or facing major repair bills later on. Habit number 7. Replace PCV valve. Replacing your positive crankcase ventilation valve is a simple and inexpensive way to protect your engine from serious damage. This small valve plays a big role. It prevents harmful vapors from building up inside the engine. Over time, the PCV valve can clog or stick, leading to problems like oil leaks, high oil consumption, and poor engine performance. Most manufacturers suggest replacing it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. If the valve fails, it can create too much pressure in the crankcase, which may blow out seals and gaskets, repairs that can easily cost over $1,000. A stuck open PCV valve can also cause your engine to burn a quart of oil every 1,000 miles, especially in older cars. The good news, replacing the PCV valve is easy and usually costs just $10 to $20. You can often find it near the valve cover or oil-filled tube. Just twist it counterclockwise to remove, insert the new one, and twist it clockwise to secure it. While you're at it, check the vent hose for any cracks and replace it if needed. A clean, functioning PCV valve helps your engine run smoother, reduces oil loss, and lowers harmful emissions. Small effort, big payoff. There you have it, 7 powerful driving habits that can help your car reach over 500,000 miles. Some of them are free, and others take just a few minutes of your time, but each one plays a real role in extending your car's life. Now it's your turn. How many of these habits are you already doing? Let us know in the comments which one surprised you the most, or share your own tip for making a car last. We might even feature it in a future video. If you picked up something useful today, give this video a like, and if you're serious about keeping your car running longer than your phone, don't forget to subscribe. In the end, driving smart isn't just about saving money, it's about respecting the machine that gets you where you need to go every day. Stay smart, stay ahead, and here's to an engine that runs forever.